Hey YouTube, this video will show you guys how to more properly uninstall or delete a program that you've currently got installed on your Linux Mint 17.3 in this instance, but it can be used for most other distros of Linux as well. So starting off, just say for example I have a program called, I'll just pick one at random, but I will first of all open up a terminal. So I've got a program named Catfish. That's a good example. So normally you guys might already be aware how to uninstall this, which you would use the following command, which is sudo apt remove, let's say the program Catfish. Now we can do that, of course, throw in our password, and that's great. It's actually not installed, so that's okay as well. But there's actually an even better way to do it than using the remove command. There's something called the purge command, which can be used in various ways, but there is a simple way to do it. And the reason why you might actually want to use the purge command over the remove command is simply for the fact that the purge command actually removes all the config files as well. So something like registry settings in a Windows machine, for example, kind of similar in that way. So let's say we probably would be nice of all to first install this program, which I probably installed earlier this morning. But let's see, so we'll just install that little puppy there. Give that a moment. Now that that's installed, we'll attempt to uninstall it using the purge command instead of the famous remove command. So just to clear things up a little bit, I'll just do that. So here's a typical command you may or may not know, as I've mentioned, and here is the command that we'd prefer to use to get rid of all the config files associated with it, just in case you want to install it at a later date, for example, and you want to start from scratch and you don't want to have any leftover configuration settings that you really just don't want. So there we go, purge, yes. Now sometimes, just sometimes, the purge command takes just a little bit longer, probably because it's removing all the config files. Now, probably a little bit of a disclaimer, there's a lot of different ways to remove programs, believe it or not. This is just pretty much the straightforward way. Some people might say that the purge command doesn't actually completely do it if you've got configuration files in your home directory, but most of the configuration files these days you'll find are outside of the home directory, therefore this will work fine enough. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, guys. Just a really short video, small video, to show you guys how to uninstall and completely remove an application in Linux Mint 17.3 in this instance. So cheers, guys. Hope you've enjoyed, and I hope that this has been of some help for you.